Okay, so I'm gonna do my everyday makeup routine for my boys out there. First, I'm gonna start with my Clinique moisturizer. It's great to moisturize because what I didn't know was even if you have greasy skin, like you think like, oh, I don't need to moisturize because that'll make me more greasy. No, that's wrong, because when your face is greasy, it's because your like skin is dry, so you're like producing more oil to like, you know, moisten it. And if you already moistened it before that, it's not gonna get greasy. So fun fact, I didn't know that. Okay, we're getting use my Hangover Primer by Too Faced, which is dope. If I do one more peace sign, I'm literally gonna off myself. Okay, you know, I kind of just put it where I usually like get greasy. I'm gonna take my Tarte Rainforest by the Sea concealer in the shade Light. It's kind of light for me, so you know what, maybe. No, I'm just gonna use this. Also, my shirt is wrinkled, so sorry. And we're gonna do like a little triangle. That's not a triangle, but you know, just kind of that formation up my nose, on the chin, and then draw a little arrow. A wet beauty blender, you know, dab it in as you would. So now that I'm paler, then like that's just not, like I just don't match my face, but we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna take my Sephora brand setting powder, or not setting powder, like what is this called? Matte powder foundation, and this brush that I don't know what's from. And I feel like you don't really need like a good like expensive one of these, because like you're just putting powder on your face. Like I feel like it doesn't get greasy. Like I don't know, like Sephora, like I feel like they kind of know what they're doing. Like, and why like pay like $38 for like a Laura Mercier like dust palette? Like no need for that. Now I'm gonna do, my lips are really chapped. I need to pluck my eyebrows actually, so I'm gonna do that. All right, so now we're gonna take the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. This brush, don't know where that's from. Same concealer, and this flat brush also, maybe Morphe. I feel like I need to put my hair back for maybe not. So we're just gonna, you know, brush them out. So as you can see, I did make a mistake, and you know, they're looking a little fugly. So this is why I use concealer, because I'm very serious about my eyebrows, and I don't want them to look like they're Sharpied on and like all jagged and whatnot. So it's like once I get like an idea of the shape that I usually have, then I'll go in and fix it just so it's like sharper and stuff. And I used to not do this and like just do my eyebrows, but like, oh, what is that? Like we don't know. So I'm gonna do it under my brow. Sugar. So like, she's still ugly, but she's not as ugly. This one's bad, this one's okay. They're distant cousins, not sisters. Not close to twins, but you know, things happen. Now we're gonna do eyeliner, and this part's a little bit tricky to do, like, my shirt is so wrinkled, to do on camera, because I just like, it's just like an art for me. Like, I'm gonna put on some deodorant too now while it's here. So, you know, it's just like I have to get like really up close to the mirror, and like you can't see anything, so like I'm just gonna, you know, do it and then come back to you. I use, oh good, it's not closed. I use the Sephora brand liquid eyeliner. It's waterproof. It's pretty good. It's like, I used to use the Makeup Forever one, and it was just like 20 bucks, and like I don't have $20 to be spending every, like, I feel like I buy one of these every month, and I just don't have the funds for that. And like this lasts a really long time, and it like does the same thing. Like, it's pretty good. It doesn't get like all like sheer and stuff. Like, it's very pigmented, works out great. So it's a fun little dupe, and these are like 12 bucks. So, and they're waterproof, and they have a cool cap, so you know. Okay, so now that we have like somewhat matching eyeliner, not whatsoever, like, again, distant cousins, not twins, we're gonna roll with it, you know, that things happen. We can't always match each other. Sorry, I don't know. And now we're gonna finish the rest of the face. I use the NARS Laguna bronzer to like contour and bronze, I guess. It's just kind of one step for me. We don't really get we don't get fancy here. So I just put it, you know, under the cheekbone without any direction whatsoever. Just kind of, you know. And then I do it on the other side. And, you know, make sure it's just a little bit poorly blended and just doesn't look that great. That's how you achieve this everyday look. And then we do under the jawline, so we look snatched even though we are not snatched. And just blend and blend and blend. And then I do my forehead, because I have a 5 head, but with this little makeup trick, we have a 4 head instead of a 5 head. I make my brush flat because I don't have a lot of brushes, and then I just go down the bridge of my nose, blend that in. We don't want to look like we have 2 lines on the side of our noses, because that's embarrassing. And then blend, blend, blend. I use my Anastasia blush kit. Got this at TJ Maxx. Did someone cough on it? Probably, but you know what? Good for the immune system. Strengthen that bitch. I think we're gonna use this kind of orangey color today, just be a little wild. And I put that there with, again, no purpose at all. Like, it's just make sure it's there. And we're gonna take our Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. This one, I don't really like, the shade's like cute, I guess. It doesn't really have any like sparkle. Like, it has a little bit, but like, you know, most people use that for every day. I like to use the like really sparkly one because I'm that bitch that, you know, thinks that chunks of sparkles on her face looks natural. We all know it doesn't. We all know we don't have sparkles just, you know, on our face, but it looks cute. See, like, adorable. And, you know, do it up there and down the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And we're glowing. I'm gonna use this cheap eyelash curler and my roller lash by Benefit. I usually don't like mascaras. Like, I never really found one that I really liked, but I really like this one. It has like a little brush, and it like separates your lashes nicely, and it doesn't make you look like clumpy. Oh, almost missed a step. Because you know your girl has choked lashes that just don't curl on their own, and they just stick straight out, and they're short and gross. But I also don't know how to put on fake eyelashes, so. See, like, it really doesn't make a difference, but like, you obviously, like, I don't know. They just like make them look cute. Give them a little bit of curl that they don't have at all by themselves. Yep, see, you know, get it all over your eyelid. make it a little bit messy because, you know, we weren't perfect here, but you know, always get that off because that's super embarrassing to have on your lid, and I hate when people have it just like on their eyelid and you're like, hey, you got mascara there. They're like, it's fine. Like, no, it's girlfriend, it's not fine. Like, we're not fine. Wow, now that I'm looking at myself, my eyebrows are just so not even. But it's okay. Life's too short to make shit even, you know? No, actually take the time to make your face look even. Don't be me, don't follow these directions, but. And then we'll do the bottom lashes so that, you know, if we get the urge to cry, you're like, no, you have bottom eyelash mascara on, you can't cry, everyone will know you're weak. So that's why I do that kind of, like, at first I just did it because I thought it looked cute, and then after a while when I became an emotional bitch, I like figured out that like once I do that, you're like, no, don't cry, that's embarrassing. So I mean, we're pretty much done, like nothing more to do. Sometimes I'll put on lip gloss, my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. That's sparkly, not today, because I'm just not sure where it is. We're taking the 24 Brow Setter by Benefit and just brushing our brows in place. And then we're gonna use the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Great time. And we're done. Yeah, that's about it. So now I put on my glasses because my mother won't get me contacts because she doesn't trust me. And this is the completed look. You know, I usually do this when I feel like trying. This is really rare. I put on makeup probably twice a week. Like, I just don't really care. But yeah. That's all. Thanks for watching. Thumbs this up if you thought it was funny, if you liked it. If you don't like it, thumbs it up. If you don't like me, thumbs it up, because, you know, same. So, yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.